Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 GMC Yukon Denali. Stock number is 18G609A. Starting right away up front, you have front parking sensors as well as a chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You do of course have 20-inch chrome wheels. Well, these are actually 22-inch chrome wheels, so even nicer, wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side, inside, leather interior all the way throughout. Second row seats are heated seats. You have third row bench seating. You have a rear-facing entertainment center for both second and third row. Up top, you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth controls are all mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control, and then you have dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Denali on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.